Fleming forward, take one.
I am one of the many students who are on their own financially, and if it wasn't for financial aid, I'm not sure if I would be here right now.
The fact that there was a scholarship to be won as part of my program was a big one for me.
I did receive scholarships and bursaries through multiple avenues.
I think every semester I got a small bursary, and if I didn't have that bursary, I would have had to go out of my savings.
I personally am very grateful for the scholarship that I received in the Building Bridges for Women in the Trades program. It allowed me to focus my time more on school and less time trying to work to pay for school.
This scholarship is not just a scholarship. They offer you a mentor. So I was assigned a specific mentor, and she's a mechanical engineer, which was so cool because when I got to speak to her, I felt that there's another career point that I can take. There's a whole other journey into the outside world.
My advice that I would give to somebody who's thinking about donating to the college for the first time is it will be worth every penny that you are donating. With the support of donors, we can keep building on our clinical labs and continue to upgrade to provide the future of healthcare.
Not many other schools have that opportunity for nursing students, and I feel like that contributed a lot to my success because I am such a hands-on learner. I honestly don't think I would have that chance, or the school would even have that, without the contribution from donors.
If I could say anything to those donors, it would be thank you. Their donation allowed me to remain 100% focused on my studies. And here I am 8 years later running a plumbing company. And I think it was their donation that allowed me to learn as much as I did.
If it wasn't for your support and your donation, a lot of us students wouldn't have these chances to go to school.
It was just more like an angel coming down to us and saving us from whatever distraught we were in. Thank you guys. You guys are doing so much.
When you donate to Fleming, when you give us those scholarships, when you give us this money, it actually validates us, and it feels like, oh, I'm seen and someone cares enough to invest in my education, and it gives me a whole new fire under me to do lots of stuff.
Fleming is moving me forward by preparing me for my future career in welding.
By helping me achieve my goal of becoming a nurse.
By giving me the opportunity to impact the future of nursing.
By giving me the skills, knowledge, and mentorship required to succeed in the outside world.
Fleming is moving me forward by connecting me with the right people to have a successful and a lasting mark on the construction industry.
And after all is said and done, Fleming is moving me forward by giving me the keys to the future through practical and theoretical training has allowed me to impact people's lives positively.